Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to block someone on Google Maps. So let's get right into it. Hit on Google Maps. Now you have to go on your profile icon. Go to your profile and here you will see your followers and people you are following. So for now, I'm following someone and I'm going to block this person. So hit on that profile icon. And then you have to hit on this three dotted button which is top right corner of the screen. Once you will hit on this button, you will see these two options and simply you have to hit on block. Once you will hit on block, the pop-up will be appear on this screen and here you have to hit on block. And that's it guys. How to block someone on Google Maps. If this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe. See you guys in the next one.